user manual, 3 anchors with 3 screws. These are Phillips heads, 4 security screws, and the security screw wrench. 1 single RFID card. Usually it comes with 2 or 3. There's only 2 screws that mounts on the wall, so you only use 2 of them. And then you can lock the entire thing with 4 security screws. Even with just 1 security screw, you cannot remove the device, but I guess 4 of them is better than 1. This is a plug style charger and it comes with a 14-50 plug. This will be using line 1, line 2, neutral, and the ground. The total wiring length is 25.6 feet, J1772 standard plug at the end. Now this is the 48 amp version. On the right side of the charger, there's a reset device. Push it to activate the device, twist it to test it, and it'll pop out. Let's open it up to inspect it. Towards the front, there's an LED light bar. From the side, there's 6 LEDs in there and also an RFID reader. The cable holster is just a piece of plastic. There's a Wi-Fi card with a 50 ohm cable that goes to the antenna stuck at the top. It's actually just glued right on. The entire board is held down by a couple of screws that are glued into place so you can't remove it easily. It actually doesn't need the neutral wire. It's cut off right here. That's the neutral wire, so it can actually turn into the 6-50 plug. There's the ground, microchip intelligence here, and also we saw the reset switch over here. Not much to see in here other than it doesn't necessarily have to be this big. I think the size is really for convenience so that you can hang the cable around it, and the depth of the entire device really comes from the connector holder here. It does have a seal all the way around the outside. And since these holes is further into the device, I've seen other car chargers, it has a little grommet underneath this washer, just in case water gets in through these screw holes. So doing that would probably give it a little bit better waterproofing rating. As it is now, it's IP55. Means it's protected from jets of water. I have a lot of holes here from previous EV charger installs, so I'm just gonna reuse some of them. That was really easy. I just screwed in 2 screws and boom, it's on. Let's put in one of the security screws. No, it's not going anywhere. Take a look at your plug and see which one that you need. This one is a 6-50, but the charger is 14-50. What I can do is use this converter here, plug that in. Okay. Turn on the breaker. And it turns on. You can either use this access card or you can use their app. First, let's use the access card. You just unplug it. Use this adapter. This is not included with the charger. Just plug that in, plug it into the car. There's no power because it requires a RFID. Here we are. Oh, it shows it's green, it's ready to charge. On my app, I can say start charging, and we can increase the amperage all the way up to 48. It shows the output voltage is 238 volts, 48 amps. 48 amps times 240 volts is 11,500 watts. This is consistent with what I'm seeing on my energy monitor. You can connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so you can remotely monitor your charging. It shows that it's charging. It started at 2:43 p.m. It's been 16 minutes, 3.133 kilowatt hour. Unfortunately, it doesn't say kilowatt hour right there. 11.94 kilowatt, 240.9 volts, 49.58 amps that it's using. Let's see if I can stop it via the app. Stop. Right there, it stopped. And then let's start it up again. Started charging. We can go take a look at the records. First time around, it charged 2.686 kilowatt hours. Because I have the Tesla connector, I don't want to remove and plug it in every single time. So I won't be using this holster, just kind of hang it on top of the charger. That works for me. It's been charging for an hour at maximum current of 48 amps. Let's check out the temperature of these wires. It's around 61 degrees Fahrenheit ambient. My adapter plug is 103 degrees. It's warm to the touch, but not hot. Generally for things people can access and touch, they don't like to go over 140 degrees, but 116 is okay. This is not part of the charger, it's just my connectors here. It's 109 degrees there. Inlet cable of the charger is 90 degrees. The outlet is a little hotter at 98 degrees. The charger itself is not very hot at all from the outside. And the cabling that just sat on top warmed it up a little bit. The Wi-Fi antenna is right here. So this could potentially block the Wi-Fi a little bit. The car plug is 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Right at the junction is a little bit cooler. The charger typically is 48 volts, and if you want to adjust the maximum current, you can go under protection setting, over current threshold, and you can adjust this to whichever current that you want. Let's say you only want to charge at 15 amps, confirm, and that's all it takes. Overall, these EV chargers are pretty similar to each other. You just got to make sure they are UL approved. This meets a base level of safety standards, and because they're so similar, they all charge your car. You just got to make sure you buy the one with the right plug at the right speed, and of course if you like the form factor of these things. The newer ones allows you to dock the charge plug right in the center of the charger. This saves you the hassle of having to mount another cable hanger and charge holder. If you guys are interested in getting this product, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.